Watch your fingers. This is her first time using scissors. You can't get them open. You know why? Because your fingers are so little because you don't eat.
Don't laugh at me.
I'm not laughing at you, sweetie. I'm laughing. You're doing great. You're doing awesome. It's hard. Mommy can't even cut a straight line still.
Don't.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Mom, get out of my way. I'm going to do it by myself.
Okay, well, I need to make sure you don't cut your hand off.
Don't.
Oh my god. Watch your fingers. Very good.